Good morning, dear students. I hope that you are all well at your home. Dear students, today in this video we will learn about these words. What are the words? Words are sham, any, much, and many. So dear students, in this video we will learn about these words. So students, before starting, I want to tell you what is the condition to use these words and how will you use these words. If there is an affirmative sentence, you can say that there is a positive sentence. You will use some in affirmative sentence or a positive sentence. Some is used in affirmative sentence and in a positive sentence, but any is used in negative and interrogative sentence. Suppose that you are making a sentence which is positive. So in this condition you will use some. If which sentence that you made and that sentence is negative, so in that sentence you will use any. This is the pattern of what is the use of much. So students, much is used for material noun, uncountable noun. If there is a sentence and if you are doing exercise and there is a material noun, and you can say we can say that abstract noun, uncountable noun. Much is used for uncountable noun and many is used for countable noun. How? Please look it. Dear students, I already told you that much is used for material. We can say that uncountable noun. When we are using the sentence and there is a one word which is uncountable, in that sentence we have to use much. If there is a noun which is countable, we will use many. How? Like this. You are looking here, there is many water in the pot. Now you can see that water. You can see water. Water is countable or uncountable? So water is uncountable. So in this condition, dear student, we have to use much in place of many. What we will use? Much in place of many. And this is the right. It is wrong to say because water is uncountable noun and much is used for uncountable noun. And you can look here, second example is this, there are many books on the table. Now you can look here, there are books. Book is countable or uncountable? So students, books are countable. We can count the books, but we cannot count the water. If we can count, in that case we will use many. We will use many in place of much because there is a countable noun. This is a plural countable noun, so we are using many. I hope that you can understand what is the use of it. And next we are talking about, I already told you that some is used in positive sentence. Yeah, we can say that in affirmative sentence, but any is used in negative sentence. As I made a sentence here, I have any money. It is wrong to say. Wrong to say. Because this is a positive sentence. This is affirmative sentence. So this sentence is wrong. But when we look this sentence, we have some money. We have some money. So student, this is positive. So this sentence is right. Because this is the affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentence, we use some. In negative sentence, we use any. As you can look here, I don't have some books to read. And you can look that this sentence is negative. This sentence is negative. So it is wrong to say. So this sentence is wrong. If you will look the second example of this I don't have any book to read. I don't have any book to read. And this is a negative sentence. If there is a negative sentence, we use some. So this sentence is right. I hope that you can understand what I taught you. Once more time, I want to tell you that some is used for positive sentence and any is used in negative sentence, and we can say use in interrogative also. This is the way to use some and any and much or many. I hope that you have understood what is the use of these words. Now thank you and bye. We will learn something new in next video.